Hello everyone and welcome to InSciLab. I am Martins, a research engineer from the University of Nigeria. As part of our 4 Researchers by Researchers initiative, I am here to show you how to plot a graph on Origin Pro and send to Word document as a picture. Come with me, let's get started. To begin our tutorial, we are going to follow the steps by the right hand side of the screen here, and we're going to be working by the left hand side of the screen. Now the first step here is to import the data into Sheet. Now that is what we are going to do. We'll go to where the data is. Now this is the data we're going to be working with, a CSV file, right? Now in Origin Pro, it accepts the drag and drop of CSV files into the worksheet, so I will do that. Okay, now with that done, the next step is to perform data cleaning. So we're going to perform basic data cleaning. Now you can go through the data to see how it looks. If there's something you want to edit, you can edit it, and that's data cleaning. Now looking at the units, you can see, okay, our time here doesn't have a unit, so we add one. And the temperature here, it still doesn't have a unit, so we add that, and we edit this one also. So you can also see that Origin Pro has automatically assigned this B column as the y-axis. You can see the y in bracket, it means y-axis, and it has automatically assigned the A column as the x-axis with the x in the bracket. So the next thing we do is the step 3, plot graph using line plots. Now the line plot is this symbol here at the bottom left, or you can go to plots and you go to basic 2D and click on line. So it's going to plot our graph for us. The next step is step 4, edit graph. Now you can look at the graph, the y-axis, the left, the x-axis, to see is there anything I want to change there. If there is none, for this tutorial I will just be leaving it the way it is. And for the graph itself, you can see, okay, perhaps the line is too thin and I want to make it a little bit thicker. So click on the line itself, and you can use this symbol here to increase its thickness and use this symbol here to reduce its thickness, but that is by the factor of 1 unit. But if you want to increase by the factor of 0.5, you can go to here and you click on 0.5. so let me just leave it on 1.5. okay, if you want to change the color, perhaps you don't want it to be black in color, we're just going to choose red. Okay, so our graph now is red in color. So when you're done editing whatever you want to edit, you can just play around with it. The next step is to export to Microsoft Word. Right click. Now you will see send graph to Word. You click on it. We accept the default and we'll click on OK. Let's allow it to do that. It's going to open our Word document for us. I think it's done, so let's go check. All right. Okay, so this is it. And this will be the end of this tutorial. I hope you found the tutorial very helpful for your research. To continue the conversation, ask questions, or collaborate with fellow researchers and scientists, please join our community at InSciLab. The link is in the description below. We would love to hear your feedback directly. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching.